Okay. I'm going to record this with no hat on. You know, see, I've got some hair, but I've got a receding hairline. You know, some people's got a retreating hairline. But anyway, I'm going to record this, no hat on. The other day I went out and bought me a tombstone, and I borrowed a gravesite. My first cousin was kind enough to loan me her gravesite. She decided to be buried somewhere else. So I was standing there looking down at my tombstone with my name and everything on it. And it's kind of like that old grave was haunting me. But it won't be able to. So I wrote this little song. Oh, that grave, how it haunts me, and longs for when they lay me down. No, that grave it can't hold me when Jesus opened the background. When Gabriel blows that trumpet, what an earth-shaking sound. Jesus will come in those clouds when I hear the trumpet sound. No, that grave he can't hold me when they lay me in that ground. No, that grave he can't hold me when Jesus opened the background. When Gabriel blows that trumpet, what an earth-shaking sound. Jesus will come in those clouds